Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In my last video on how to export all ledger details from Tally to Excel column wise without customization, I have received so many comments like how to export description, how to export mobile number, or how to export email from ledger. But I was able to answer only to few of them. So I thought to make a free online tool to my subscribers to export ledger data and stock item data from Tally to Excel. Okay, now let's look what is this tool and how it works. One thing to note is it's completely free only to my subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my knowledgeable and useful videos like this. Okay, now let's start. Open your Google Chrome or any of your favorite browser and type seeksmart.in in the address bar and press enter. Our main page looks like this. So in top we have home, blog and tally tools menu. Once you click on this tally tools menu, you will have ledger export tool, stock item export tool. So if you want to export ledger data from Tally to Excel, click on the ledger export tool. If you want to export a stock item data from Tally to Excel, click on this stock item export tool. So once you click on this any of the tools, you will get a login page like this. So if you are not an existing user, click on this register button, enter your name. For example, I have entered name as Mahesh123, some random username, and my first name is Mahesh, last name is S. So my fictional email ID is mahesh123@gmail.com. Password is some password. So I'll have to confirm my password. So enter your WhatsApp number and enter your mobile number. If it is same as your WhatsApp number, you enter the same number here also and click on this register button. So you'll see a screen like this. Thank you for registering. Before you can log in, we need to activate your account by clicking on the activation link in the email we just sent you. So open your mail and click on the activation link. Then your account will be activated. Once your registration is completed, log into your account by using email address and password. Now open this menu, click on the ledger export tool. For example, if you want to export the ledger data, you will have all the details of the ledger like name, alias 1, alias 2, mailing name, group. You can see the options here. If you want to, for example, if you want to select the name, the group, credit period and what is the credit limit, GSTIN number and PAN number and what is the opening balance of ledger. You just have to click and enable these options and click generate code. So once you click on this generate code, the related formula of which you have selected, the data which you have selected will be shown here. So what you need to do is just click on this copy code. It shows a dialog like SeekSmart says copied code. Okay. Now open your Tally, press on Ctrl plus N to open your calculator panel. Paste the code just copied. Ctrl Alt V to paste. Press on enter. So here it will show the data like name, group, bill credit period, and what is the credit limit, party GSTIN, PAN number, and opening balance. If you want to export this data to Excel or PDF, you can click on export and select whichever the format you want to export. To know more on how to export and how the exported format looks like, you can check out my previous video. Okay, now let's look how to export stock item data. Click on this Tally Tools menu, select Stock Item Export Tool. Similar to Ledger Export Tool, we have the details of stock item like name, part number, group, category, notes, description, etc. For example, I am selecting here name, group, description, and IGST percentage, HSN code. Once you have selected whichever the required fields you want to export, click on just the generate code button. So the code will be generated. The formula to extract the data will be generated here. Now you'll have to just click on this copy code. So a pop-up appears like copied code. Okay, click on OK. Now open Tally. Press Ctrl plus N to open calculator panel. Paste the copied code here. Press enter. This will show all the data that is exported from the stock item like this. Since this is a demo data, I only have one stock item. To export this data to Excel or to PDF, you'll have to click on the export button and select the format and export. For more on how to export and how the format looks, you can check out my previous video. If you still have any doubts, you can check out my blog. Click on this blog menu. Here you will see two blogs like how to export all stock item details from Tally to Excel for free without any customization, and how to export Tally ledger details to Excel for free without any customization. So click on this blog here. So as you can see in detail, I have explained all the steps including the previous video. I have linked the previous video also here. You can go through this video. For your reference, I have added the screenshots also. You can go through it. Again, the important note is this free tool is made available only for our YouTube channel subscribers. So before continuing, subscribe to our YouTube channel Seek Smart. Please let me know in the comment section on what topic you want me to make the next video on. Finally, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon so that